we are changing the brake pads for one very good reason, is they're a bit low. So we're going to get the van up in the air, take the other wheel off, and start stripping them down.
Oh! This is the worst one I've heard.
It's been sat a while. As you can see, this van is electric, that's why it's on charge. In here, you can see the brake pad. This bit here is the actual pad material. So on an MOT, they'll check that for the thickness. The minimum for an MOT is 1.5 millimeters. And then anything under 3 mil would be advised. So they're probably a bit more than that, but we're changing them anyway because it's been sat for a while.
Crusty.
Yeah, discs are a little bit crusty, but that'll clean up nicely, won't it?
I'm taking the wheel off over here.
I'll come and have a look.
So bit grindy where it's been sat for 6 months. 19 mil. Get a big gun.
Duggers. I'm going to bounce and catch the wheel.
I'm not good at bouncing.
Oh, little bounce.
Little bounce. Okay. We'll start with taking off the slider bolts here and here. That'll release the caliper. Hopefully, it's a bit rusty, so maybe not. But yeah, get in there, get that off, change the pads. Hopefully it works. Let's get a torch on the situation.
Many torches.
Many torches. Broken
Decapitated.
Torches. Decapitated. Amputated. Oh, sorry.
If you can't be bothered to find your caliper wind tool, what you do is you wedge something in there and you can pry off the caliper like that.
And it puts a nice warp in your disc, so when you go down the road, it's
But
a bit wobbly.
these are quite stuck.
Mechanic hack. Mechanic hack of the day.
Mechanic hack.
Hack of the day, just wedge something in there.
Yeah, that's not work. Yeah.
So that you can release the pressure.
Yeah, so the fluid can be pushed back up into the reservoir. Obviously there's fluid down here in the pipes. When you switch the piston back, it can't go anywhere unless the lid's off. Right, let's get the caliper off.
I've left you now.
Okay.
I'm failing at this side as well. The mechanic hack's not working.
We can switch them back other ways.
There is other ways. But
It's
this
not
is
that
the easiest.
side. It may be that one. I've just realised I'm doing it the wrong way.
What was it, 12 minutes?
Yeah.
All our spanners are in the wrong order.
Organisation.
Any good?
No. But I can play a tune.
Go on. Oh. Christmas tune.
It's a light really good on my face, yeah.
It's good lighting, mate, yeah.
Nice little image, right?
Still ugly.
Right, and you get a fairly reasonable sized lever bar. This is not reasonable by any means.
It's way above average.
This is above average. There we go. And the caliper with some cobwebs.
Spider.
Is off. Here's our pads. They just fall out. You hope.
Why is your nipple exposed?
My nipple?
Show me the nipple.
My nipple's got a nice little rubber hat on it.
Mine's it.
And what you should always do is just let them hang on the brake lines. Because it doesn't matter.
Floppy.
Brake pad. Brake pad. Now we need to clean the mating surfaces. So what I'll do is get a wire brush and a drill. Now this one's a bit quicker.
Just attach it.
Get some salt.
Gonna clean the mating surfaces. Got my drill and wire brush. very effective method.
Make sure the battery's charged.
He's laughing at something else.
Who?
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
Oh,
You can find out when the editing happens.
Oh, I see. I've wet myself. So now that is all clean. Okay, okay,
Both should
okay.
okay at the same time.
Yep. Instead, okay. So you want to make sure the slider pins are nice and free.
I'm just chiseling rust off. Remember to wear your safety squints.
Get some grips. And then it's gonna be a bit difficult. And squeeze the pistons back. They're not getting back that way. Just like that, and then we are going to crush them. They're not crushing in. So that probably wants a caliper. If I can't get them moving, I might have to oil them up. That one's starting to move. That one's getting in. You kneel before me. Yes. Good. Know your place, peasant. Problems. Okay. So
Okay, so
pads are in, as you see. Nice and loose. That's what you want. Don't want them stuck on because then it grinds the pads a bit. Make sure your brake pad's facing the right way.
metal on the inside.
Metal on metal.
Click, click.
You've got to torque these up to spec.
FT.
FT. Yeah. If none of you understand what FT is, the mechanics will. FT stands for tight.
Really tight.
Effing tight.
Effing tight. Done.
Not going to get more nice silver on them.
It's when I was painting my wheels.
Oh, you didn't take the wheels off.
No. Here with your discs, they get lipped after a while. Bit lippy.
Don't get lippy with me.
Don't get lippy, knock it out. But yeah, get lippy. There will be a minimum thickness.
You measure across here, and as long as it's no thinner than this little gap here, I don't know if, I don't know if the camera can see that, but there's
I
a
can
flat
see
there, and it can't be any thinner than that flat.
Very educational, this video.
Yeah, we are educational.
Oh,
Oh,
hold me.
Titanic.
There we go.
And that is exactly 140 newton meters.
Get the other ones in. Drop that one. Now we pump the brake pedal, put the cap back on,
Put the other wheel on.
and that. Put the other wheel on, pump the brake pedal, put the cap back on, front brake's done. Just gotta bed them in. Take it easy for a minute.